Did you know that Earth itself broadcasts the most terrifying sounds you've never heard? Right now, invisible signals are traveling through the air around you. Sounds so haunting that when radio operators first heard them, they thought aliens were trying to communicate. These are called whistlers. When lightning strikes somewhere on Earth, it sends out invisible waves that follow our planet's magnetic field lines. As these waves travel thousands of miles through space, they create descending tones that sound exactly like falling bombs or ghostly voices calling from the void. But whistlers aren't the only unexplained frequencies lurking in our atmosphere. There's something called the dawn chorus, electromagnetic signals that sound like a forest full of electronic birds chirping at sunrise. Then there are the tweaks, clicks, and spherics, natural radio signatures that sound completely otherworldly. The most unsettling part, that eerie whistling sound you're hearing might have started from a lightning bolt on the opposite side of Earth. These phantom broadcasts have been traveling through space for hours, carrying their haunting message across continents to reach your radio.